Cycling, our lifestyle, our way of life. Let the gorgeous scenery take you over. Let your mind breathe it all in. Let your troubles pass by. What makes you fall in love with cycling? Is it the mysterious world? Is it soaring through the wind? Is it every touch, every sense of nature? We're there with you, on pursuit of cycling exploration. Every trip is a challenge. Every journey is a commitment. Love yourself. Believe in yourself. Create your own brilliance. Camille, a smart cycling camera focused on minimalism. Go on your own time, never wait a second. Every amazing plan fulfilled with ease. Every unique moment recorded by Camille. No instant of your journey missed by Camille. No mountain too high to be conquered. Whether moving or still, light or shadow, the whole world is in your view. Every awe-inspiring view through every changing season, Camille is with you. Every second on your bike, Camille is by your side, exploring the road not taken, creating outstanding moments. Camille, designed for cycling.
Would you like to improve your race cycling or mountain biking performance? Then let us introduce you to the new and affordable Power Meter by IQ Square. A Power Meter tells you exactly when and where your legs are producing a certain amount of force. It helps you dose during your ride or workout, so you can start outperforming yourself and others. Power meters exist in all shapes and sizes at varying locations on a bike. But every power meter presents a disadvantage and they're also quite expensive. So we challenged ourselves to decrease the price while increasing functionality. To design the perfect power meter, we went through rigorous development. We theorized, designed and redesigned to secure the best tech and product components for each part of the power meter. So now, we are proud to introduce the first high-tech power meter everyone can afford. It runs on a standard battery and connects through Bluetooth and ANT+. The adapter is made of light and strong titanium with a nanostructure strain gauge deposited on the surface. Our advanced low-pressure molding technique produces a waterproof casing and a total product that is very light. Here's how it works on the inside. When your leg puts power on the pedal, it causes a miniature bending of the metal. A strain gauge captures this pressure as a change in electrical resistance, which is measured and simply sent to your app or bike computer. Most power meters measure the power of one leg. IQ Square can measure both, so you can see if they're performing the way you want them to. You can then adapt your training accordingly. Of course, we tested our prototype repeatedly, like here on the Direct Trainer, where we optimized our power meter to reach consistent and accurate results. We've done everything we could to create a great turnkey product, so you can instantly start using it upon delivery. Installation on your race or mountain bike is easy. You simply place the adapter in the crank arm and fasten it with a screw. It's connected to our support app, where you can enter customized bike measurements for a smooth fit. When you've successfully completed the installation steps, the app pairs with the power meter and you're good to go. It's compatible with all apps, software and bicycle computers like Garmin and Strava, so you can use your trusted devices to immediately begin training with our product and start pushing your boundaries. This is an opportunity you can't miss. It's easy to use, has great features and is now ready to be ordered.
Introducing the Cyclic Duo Mount. The Duo Mount is the ultimate mount for your bike. We found it hard to source a mount that offers a combination of beauty, aerodynamics, strength, and compatibility at an affordable price. We figured it can't be that hard. After all, it's just a mount. So, we set out to produce a beautiful Duo Mount for all cyclists. A mount that can hold your bike computer and a camera and light without cluttering your handlebars. Our patent-pending aerodynamic design has the base scallop between the mounting fins, making the camera sit more snugly, decreasing drag, and making it lighter for those weight weenies among us. This mount is one of the lightest Duo mounts on the market, and yet has the strength to withstand even the most extreme conditions. We've sourced aircraft-grade materials and tested it again, and again, and again, even injuring ourselves in the process. With various attachments, the Duo Mount has been designed to support almost any device. We cyclists are picky when it comes to what makes our bikes beautiful. This, by far, is the best looking mount in the world. At least, that's what we think. The Cyclic Duo Mount, along with other Cyclic products, are endorsed and used by former Tour de France rider Ted King.
Right side.
If you're a cyclist, letting people know you're approaching is incredibly important. Introducing Trigger Bell, a safer bike bell. Traditional bike bells are unsafe because you need to loosen your grip to ping them. Trigger Bell is safer because it lets you brake, ping and control all at the same time. Trigger Bell lets you notify other road users that you're there without impacting your own safety. Trigger Bell is uniquely designed to discreetly mount under your handlebar, making it very quick and safe to brake, ping and change gear. Because you don't need to move your hand, you can ping up to 20 feet earlier than a traditional bell, keeping you and your fellow road users safe. Trigger Bell fits almost all bikes, including single speed and city bikes, Dutch and town bikes, mountain bikes, and racing bikes. The bell is made of high-quality brass, the adjustable strap fits most handlebars, and it is quick and easy to fit. Check out what Trigger Bell users are saying. Brake, ping, control, all at the same time.